Good morning. God loves you, YouTubers. God loves us even when we can't love ourselves. On Liberty Bridge, exit 7, 405. I named it Liberty Bridge. You won't find it on the map. But it's a bridge covering 405 on exit 7. And from the time I got out of the vehicle today, little birds were chipping at me. One landed on the camera above my position, talked to me the whole time. And little bird was saying, watch your little birds. Protect and care for your little birds. Keep them close to your eyes and those that you trust. When you travel, know that if there's something happens, how far away you are from your little birds is how far you got to get back. So you might be making arrangements to make sure your little birds are cared for and keep them together. We don't want them going into government FEMA camps. We want to keep our people together. And that means we're going to have to stay calm and not eat ourselves if something hits a fan. But everybody's been telling us to put food and water back. Do it. Do it with food that's sustainable, that can be stored and used. This is very important. We don't know what's going to happen, but we know a lot of crazy things been happening with the weather and disasters and stuff like this. And a lot of these solar-driven troubles, many of us believe is being caused by somebody other than the good guys, or nature, or the heartbeat of the sun. So, I guess what I'm saying, long story short, is this. Little Bird says, take care of your little birds. And I'll tell you what Jesus told me. Jesus said, woe be to those who mess with my children. And I've heard it phrased for religious purposes and church purposes and whatnot. But I know he loves our children, man. He loves the innocents. He does not want the generational sin that's being jammed down our throats. So, God bless you. If nobody tells you this today, I'm going to tell you, I love you. And that doesn't mean that I want boy kisses. But I'll take boy hugs. I'll take girl hugs. And my heart's opening up. I hope that I live long enough to have someone again. Much love, peace, and all of the gifts that come from the Spirit of the Benevolent One, the one God. And all of us who worship, who call themselves Hebrew, they are Jewish, people who call themselves Muslims. If the Torah, if the first books are the same, then we're the same tribe, and the only difference is things that God will work out, not man. So let's get it back together. Let's unite as a people, and let's bring the light to the world. And as far as darkness goes, the darkness will take care of itself. Just take care of ourselves, keep ourselves, our side of the street clean, and don't give up. Don't ever give up. Bye once again. Final, last word.